The morning starts slow here. A tiny kettle sits on the stove, warming up, taking its time. Steam curls up toward the ceiling as the fireplace throws a soft, flickering glow across the room. Outside the window, the world is still quiet. Inside, everything is exactly where it should be. A wool blanket draped over the arm of a chair, a cup waiting to be filled, a little book left open mid-page, like someone just stepped away for a moment. This is what a good morning looks like. Small, warm, and completely unhurried.
Do you believe a cozy miniature video like this can be created in just a few minutes with AI? A warm little cottage, the gentle glow of a fireplace, a tiny kettle heating up on the stove, and all those relaxing miniature details, all of this can be created with AI using just a few simple prompts. And the best part is, you don't need to have an idea ready, you don't need to write the script yourself, and you don't need any professional video editing skills. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a cozy miniature video in a claymation style using a vertical format that's perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. We'll start completely from scratch, using AI to come up with an idea, write the script, generate the visuals, add a voiceover and background music, and finally turn everything into a complete video. If you're new to AI with Mia, hi everyone, I'm Mia, and welcome to AI with Mia. This channel is all about AI tutorials, AI-powered content creation, and helpful tools that make creating professional videos faster and easier. If you're interested in AI and want to discover more ways to create content with it, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss my future videos. All right, let's get started. First, click the link I've included in the video description. Then, sign up or log into VideoGen. Once you're logged in, this is the main VideoGen dashboard. In the center is the main workspace, where you can access your recent projects or choose from the available workflows to get started more quickly. And on the left is the navigation bar, where you'll find the main features of the platform. To start a new project, simply click New Project. Then select Script to Video. This feature allows AI to turn a script into a complete video with visuals, voiceover, and the settings we choose. Once the project is created, you'll see the script editor in the center of the screen. If you already have a script, you can simply paste it directly here. But for this video, let's assume we're starting without an idea or a script. So, we're going to use the AI assistant on the left side of the screen to come up with an idea and write the script directly inside VideoGen. For this example, I want to create a short video about a cozy and relaxing miniature world. So, I'll enter a very simple prompt. Give me 5 cozy miniature video ideas for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. After a few seconds, the AI assistant gives us 5 different ideas. Here, we have ideas like a day in a tiny cottage, miniature rainy cafe, tiny autumn forest walk, cozy miniature bookshop at night, and mini holiday kitchen. They all work really well for this type of miniature video, but for this example, I'm going to choose the first idea. A day in a tiny cottage. Now that we have our idea, I'll continue using the AI assistant to create the script. I'll enter. Write a 30-45 second script for a day in a tiny cottage. Make it cozy, relaxing, and visually engaging. After just a few seconds, AI generates a short script based on the idea we selected. You can read through the script, and if you're not completely happy with the result, you don't have to rewrite everything yourself. Instead, simply tell the AI what you'd like to change. For example, I want the opening to be more engaging, and the script to include more visually interesting details, so I'll enter. Make it more visually engaging and add a stronger opening. The AI assistant will analyze the current script and suggest an improved version. If you're happy with the changes, simply click Accept. So, with just a few simple prompts, we've gone from having no idea, finding a topic, creating a script, improving the script, all without leaving VideoGen. Now, let's scroll down and start setting up our video. First, we have aspect ratio. This is where we choose the format of our video. Since we're creating this video for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, I'm going to select 9:16. If you're creating content for a different platform, simply choose the aspect ratio that best fits where you plan to publish your video. Next, we have visuals. This is one of the most important sections because it determines how AI will generate the visuals for our video. First is image source. Here, we can choose where the visuals for our scenes will come from. For this video, I'm going to use AI-generated images. Next is image quality. Here, you can choose the image quality that best fits your needs. For this video, I'm going to select standard. This works well for our demonstration while still giving us good image quality. Next, let's move on to visual style. VideoGen offers a variety of different visual styles. We can click View All to see all the available options. For our A Day in a Tiny Cottage concept, I'm going to choose Claymation. This style gives the houses, objects, and environments the look of tiny handcrafted clay models, which works perfectly for the cozy miniature style we're creating. After finishing the visual section, the next step is voice. Here, you'll find a variety of AI voices that you can choose from and preview. For a cozy video like this, I'll choose a voice that sounds soft, natural, and relaxing to match the overall mood of the story. Next to voice, we have Add Avatar. This feature allows you to add an avatar to your video if needed. However, for this video, I want the viewer to focus entirely on the miniature world, so I'm not going to use an avatar. Next, I'll move to the top right corner of the screen. Here, we have background music. This option allows you to simply turn background music on or off for your video. For this cozy miniature video, I'm going to turn background music on to create a softer and more relaxing atmosphere. If you don't want background music in your video, you can simply turn this option off. Right next to it, we have captions. Here, we can automatically add captions to the video. This can be especially useful for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, since many people may start watching without sound. And after the video is generated, we can still customize the captions if needed. Next, we have transitions. This is where we can set the transition effects between different scenes. For a cozy miniature video like this, I'll keep the transition simple and smooth to maintain the calm and relaxing feel of the video. Finally, we have logo watermark. If you're building a brand or growing your own channel, you can add your logo or watermark here. If you don't need one, you can simply skip this option. Once we've finished all the settings, simply click Generate Video in the top right corner. VideoGen will use our script and the settings we've selected to generate the scenes, add the voiceover and background music, and put everything together into a complete video. This process may take a little time. Once the video is ready, click Preview to watch the entire video and check the result. If you're already happy with it, you can export the video right away. But if you'd like to make a few changes, simply click Edit to open the editor. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the tools for editing the entire project. Here, you can change the AI voice, change the visual style across the video, add transitions, generate music, improve the image quality, or change the video format. You'll also find separate sections for script, captions, music, theme, and several other tools. If you want to edit a specific scene, simply select that image on the timeline. VideoGen will immediately display the editing tools on the right side of the screen. Here, you can regenerate or replace the image, turn the image into a video, edit the image, remove the background, upscale the image quality, or add 3D motion to make the scene feel more dynamic. Besides these tools, VideoGen also lets us edit an image simply by telling the AI what we want to change. For example, in this scene, I don't really like the large amount of smoke above the cup, and I'd also like the scene to feel a little warmer and cozier. So, I'll enter a very simple prompt. Remove the smoke and make the scene warmer and cozier. Then I'll submit the prompt and let the AI process the request. After a short moment, VideoGen will regenerate the image based on my instructions, without me having to edit it manually. If the result still isn't exactly what you want, you can simply adjust your prompt or regenerate the image again until you're happy with the result. Once I've finished editing the image, I'll play the video again to check the result. At this point, I don't think the captions really fit the style of this video. I want to keep the visuals clean and simple so the viewer can focus on the cozy miniature atmosphere. So, I'm going to turn the captions off. To do that, I'll select Captions from the toolbar on the left. Simply turn off, enable all captions at the top. And just like that, all the captions are removed from the video. Of course, this is completely optional and depends on the type of content you're creating. If you prefer to keep captions so your viewers can follow along more easily, you can leave them enabled or customize them to match your style. Once that's done, I'll watch the video one final time to make sure the visuals, voiceover, background music, and all the scenes look and sound good. And once you're happy with the final result, it's time to export the video. First, click Share in the top right corner. Then, select Download. Next, choose 1080p Full HD for high-quality video when publishing on social media. Finally, click Export Video and wait for VideoGen to process the video. Once it's finished, you can download the video to your computer. And that's it! Our cozy miniature video in a claymation style is now complete and ready to upload to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. As you can see, with just a simple idea, AI can help us turn it into a complete video in just a few steps. Thanks so much for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!